What's up, y'all? We are back with Miss Nisholay. We are going to talk about using lights in other than the traditional way. So if you look over here, that is our model, Nicole. That's my old lady, looking really super excited. She's over there with the light. But if you notice, we are standing on this side and the light is behind her. So we're going to use that light to kind of act as a accent light. So we have a little bit of lighting here. We have lighting coming in here. The sun's over on that side. And then there's a little bit of light come from that side too. What just happened?
Some creepy old guy who was wasted because I could smell it walked by me in front of his wife and whispered in my ear, "Love your ass."
Oh.
Are you? That was so awkward.
He must have been hammered, because if you look, it's not that impressive.
It's true, but hey.